Part of the reason for setting up B Data, actually, which is why it's Bangladesh, is I wanted to be a social venture, not just a pure commercial venture. So the idea was to create jobs. So that's our primary motivation for running the business, my co-founder and I. How do we win business to create well-paying jobs in Bangladesh, highly skilled, well-paying jobs in Bangladesh? Now, we chose Dhaka, Bangladesh, because like I said, that's where I'm from. But actually, it's actually a commercial advantage. That's something my co-founder, who's actually British, worked out. It's because, like you said, everybody thinks about India. Now, Bangladesh is a small country attached to India, but it is a population of about 170 million. I believe 50% of the population is under 25, so very young population, wow. Very digitally native now. That population, mobile phones are ubiquitous. They've got internet connection now. And you can imagine when you have a large population, even a small percentage going to university is a large number. And there's a tradition to like study science and maths and stuff. And so what I found when I've ever been visiting with family is that there is a good community of sort of software developers, data engineers, data analysts who work for local organizations. A lot of them do freelancing. So COVID actually opened up that market for Bangladesh. They did a lot of people did freelancing for organizations during COVID. And so we decided to set up there because the availability of talent, it's still very cost effective. It isn't as expensive as India. But also what we found is that we are one of the few data companies out there in Dhaka in Bangladesh. So we attract talent who wants to get into this space, especially the data engineering, data science space, where people have heard about it, they want to get into it, and we offer the training, we offer the exposure, and so it's worked out very beneficial for us. And then it's just a good story to have for clients, right? We're not just doing it for commercial reasons. We've got a social project attached to it, and we have ambitions to grow this as well. So.